Energy is the capacity to do work and is required in every activity of our life. Energy is mostly needed either in the form of heat or electricity. For example, we need heat energy for cooking food, which is obtained by burning the fossil fuel such as cooking gas. To run different home appliances, we need electricity which is obtained from different power plants such as hydropower plant, thermal power plant, etc. Sun is the ultimate source of energy called renewable source. The energy obtained from natural sources like wind, flowing water, tides, etc. are directly or indirectly obtained from the sun. The fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are non-renewable sources, as these sources, once exhausted, cannot be reused. Energy is mainly classified as kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its state of motion, such as a ball in motion. The potential energy is the energy possessed by an object by virtue of its position, such as a compressed spring. One form of energy can be converted into another form. When the string of the arrow is released to shoot an arrow, then the potential energy of the bow changes into the kinetic energy of the arrow, due to which it comes into motion. We can obtain the energy into required form from the forms of energy available to us. When coal is burnt, then its chemical energy changes into light energy and heat energy. Similarly, electrical energy converts into light energy when an electric current is passed through the bulb.